it's Geisha Live! In this video, I will make Origami Dodecahedron. Yay! Have you ever drank genmaicha? Genmaicha, also known as brown rice tea, is a delightful Japanese green tea blend. It features a combination of green tea leaves and roasted brown rice. The roasted rice adds a unique nutty flavor to the tea, making it a comforting and earthy choice. So, let's make Origami Dodecahedron. Step 1. Make 12 sonobe units. Let's create an origami sonobe unit, which is a fundamental building block for modular origami. These units can be combined to form various geometric shapes. Here's how you can fold a sonobe unit. Fold the top and bottom edges together twice and open. Volley fold the upper right and lower left corners to the nearby creased lines. Fold up the bottom edge with the attached crease lines. Fold the right edge into a volley along the top edge. Open the crease you made, turn the paper upside down, and fold it the same way again. Fold down the top edge and insert it into the top gap while volley folding the corners with the attached fold stripe on the right side. Insert the left side into the gap below as well. Turn over and fold the corners popping out on either side to meet the opposite corners. Fold the center diagonal edge into a mountain fold. Fold the remaining 11 sheets in the same way. Origami, the ancient art of paper folding, offers creativity and practical benefits. Brain boost. Origami stimulates brain activity, enhancing fine motor skills, hand-eye coordination, and concentration. It's like a mental workout that keeps the mind nimble and engaged. Step 2. How to combine sonobe units. Once The two parts are placed in a T shape. Insert the corner of the vertically oriented part into the horizontally oriented part. Place the new part horizontally on the right side of the vertical part and insert the corners in the same way. While holding the parts so that they do not shift from each other, gently twist the top horizontal part and insert it into the closest gap. The three corners of the triangular pyramid in the center should be protruding. Combine the remaining parts in the same way. Have you had any good things happen to you lately? What makes me happy these days is that in the early mornings, I hear birds singing and see rabbits and squirrels on the streets. Spring is just around the corner. Easter is also coming soon. In the next videos, I will attempt to make some dishes and sweets that you can make for Easter. There are many things in life, not only happy things, but also hard things, sad things, and many other things. At such times, let's eat delicious food and enjoy nature a lot. Dodecahedron origami. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe the channel, leave a comment down below. See you in the next video. Bye bye.